Hello, if you wonder how accurate is the Pixel Watch 3 heart rate, then this device was actually designed to provide relatively accurate heart rate monitoring using advanced sensors and algorithms. And however, like the most consumer wearables, this accuracy can be vary based on several factors. And if you really wonder how it works, I can highly recommend you to visit the Quantify Scientist channel. I was watching the video. He was actually making some advanced tests about the heart rate measurement while spinning on the gym. And there was also, I believe, there was the resting heart rate. And he was making comparison with some other devices, like for example, the Polar Straps, the Apple Watches, and I'm gonna put the link into the description and under the first comment this video, so you'll be able to actually check how it actually works. But this is probably one of the best Android devices when you talk about the accuracy for the heart rates. Thanks for watching.